coming to this dinner party. Now, let's dig in. I'm sorry, but I have to point something out.
Wilbur, get your hands off of my grippers!
I'm not touching your grippers.
Bruh, you're literally under the table!
Why are you touching Theseus's feet? Prince Theseus, why do you even call them grippers?
I think Prince Wilbur is just trying to massage
Shut
your
the fuck
feet.
up, you albino cockroach.
Did you just call me an albino cockroach?
Nah, I said that to the wall.
Who else has half white hair here?
Bo and Techno?
Nuh-uh, not you coming after me and my hair.
Girl, no one can tell whether it's natural or dyed. I bet you dyed it because you're getting white hairs under there.
Who? Please, you literally look like you're aging faster than King Phil over there.
Not diss my father like that!
That ain't even your real dad.
He adopted me!
Hand over them adoption papers. Let me take a real good look at them.
Exactly, you albino cockroach! You don't have any! Shut up, you excuse of our prince!
You, too.
Not say that to my homeboy!